Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial on NailPossible. Today we're going to make a nude design with stamping on half of the nail. We apply a base coat, and we apply a creme nude as a base color. We clean up the cuticles. Because I'm going to be using tape next and I need this to be dry, I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. Now I'm going to take a piece of tape. This is electrical tape, but regular tape works too. I'm gonna cut it into 3 pieces so I don't waste as much. Electrical tape is super sticky, so I'm going to remove some of the glue by sticking it on my arm a couple of times. And now we place it on the middle of the nail, leaving the half with the tip exposed. We place the other pieces of tape on the rest of the nails. Remember to make sure the tape is stuck all the way to the edges so the polish doesn't leak under the tape. And now we apply our shimmery nude. I got a bit distracted here and I jumped over to the next nail, but we always remove the tape as soon as we're done applying the polish so we get clean lines. We clean up again wherever necessary. And now we're going to stamp with gold polish. We're going to use this image here. Now that we have the image on the stamper, to make things easier, we're going to remove the excess from the other images on the plate. And we're going to be aligning the border of the image with the line we made with the 2 colors on the nail, and we stamp the image over our creme nude. I'm going to remove most of the excess from the stamping with some tape. And remove whatever's left with acetone. Now we cut some pieces of gold striping tape. We cut 1 for each nail. And we place the tape in the middle. We make sure it goes all the way to the edge of the nail. And we snap off the excess. We repeat this on the rest of the nails. And we finish by adding 1 last coat of top coat to protect everything. And this is the finished design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget you can give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!